everybody, welcome to the show. I'm real pretty, so I'm going to come on here and give my quick review on these bad headphones right here. Look how pretty, look how sleek, look how cool they are. They are the JLab Air Pop headphones, okay? They come in massive amount of colors. Pink, orange, lavender, yellow, black, of course. I went with the black. So I got the black clearly because they are very discreet and they blend in well. So when I want to pop some music in my ear, pop on my spiritual messages, pop on my Bible, scripture, audio, pop on some nature music, anything that's just soothing for my spirit, soothing for my soul, and just to get motivation, inspiration. These are it, and they're very, very discreet. These are straight off from Amazon, okay? And I did not pay no $300-$400 for these things, okay? AirPods today, I think they're about 300 and change, or they're almost 300 for some AirPods, which suck, okay? Before I had to charge you the very first time ordering, to me, I believe it took about a whole month. You heard me correctly. It took me about a whole month before these headphones had to get charged. And I thought that was amazing because with the AirPods, man, please, by the very next day, you got to charge them suckers, okay? This took about a whole month, some change for me to charge these. And I was just like, wow, okay? And even to this day, it would take like 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks before these have to get charged. And they look so good in my ear. It's not even funny. Again, it comes on like this. I guess the light's supposed to flash here every time. It's supposed to let you know when it needs to be charged. So like the red light will pop on here, and then it's like a white light that's supposed to come on to let you know that it's connected to the phone. Okay, and look how good it looks. It looks so good, right? You can't even, it looks amazing. It looks so amazing. You see? Look at that. Look how discreet it is. It's amazing. When you talk about noise cancellation, these here are no joke. Let me tell you something. Even when someone is talking to me and I just have one of these in my ear, you know I have to take that one out just to hear what the person's saying, because that's how good it is. Like, I don't know what the heck is going on, but I have to take out both out of my ear just to hear that person. I can't hear a person clearly with just one of these in my ear. I just can't. That's how good the noise cancellation is. It's amazing. Like, it just really cancels out sound. Sometimes it depends on the audio, wherever I'm watching, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's iTunes I'm listening to. Sometimes the sound is lower and sometimes the sound is louder. So it depends on the audio. I will have to turn this up to the max, and I will quickly get a friggin' message on my phone talking about your noise is way too loud. Please lower it down. Okay. We don't want to be walking around here without our senses. I love to hear, and I thank the Most High for ears and hearing. So I don't want to go deaf, you know. So we have to be very careful. We have this sense. We have to make sure that we take good care of ourselves and not do things to harm our bodies and so on and so forth. So it does let me know that. But these are really, really good, especially on a train when you're traveling, going home. People run their mouths too doggone much. And one thing I don't understand is why people be on the bus, on the train, playing their music. And I want to tell them, sir, ma'am, get you one of these. It don't cost you a grip. It don't cost you rent money. It don't cost you grocery money. These are under $50. These are so cheap. They last a good while. They small. They discreet. They could fit in your pockets. They could fit in your purse. They could fit anywhere. They are that good. Okay, the noise cancellation is amazing. The battery life is amazing. I do want to get the pink versions in these. If you don't know, you know now. Okay, pink is my color. Don't know about you, but pink is my color. Okay, so yeah, so I am gonna get the pink version so I can have one here. And these are another headphones I got from Amazon. I'm not sure if I'll do a review on these, but this is what's popular. People know about JLab, so I'm speaking on this one right now. But when I'm dancing, that's part of my workout. When I'm just, want to listen to some music, I don't want something so heavy because these pack on some weight. So I want something that's light, and I want to keep these on a job because I be friggin' vexed sometimes when I don't have these in my work bag. But yes, definitely, if you can and if you're interested, I definitely recommend these JLab Air Pop headphones. Definitely get black. The black is definitely a staple. And then whatever your favorite color is, you can get that. Now, black is your favorite color, then hey, that's what's up. That's cool. But definitely copy one of these. These are amazing, and I'm happy I got them. And I did not have to spend a lot of money. Trust me, we spend so much money on these products like Apple and the Beats and all that, and they're not so pristine and clean and reliable like they claim they are. I mean, come on. This is ridiculous. And I have not lost these yet. The AirPods will pop out of my ear and I've lost them twice. So I'm not trying to pay another 200, 300 plus dollars for no doggone AirPods. I'm not doing it. Plus, these look so much cooler. So I'm just like, yeah, I'm sticking with these here. You can definitely save you some money in your pocket. So definitely contemplate getting these. You don't have to, but they are recommended. Okay. So I'm telling you, this is the route to go. Okay.